Alright, today. So since this is something I'm actually comfortable with, hi, I'm Amber, and normally I do not like making videos because I am video shy. So I am a research assistant in a Drosophila lab. So yeah, I'm not all pretty and dressed up and high maintenance looking. I'm sorry, I'm a scientist. Kind of gotta expect this. So anyway, so a lot of people don't know what goes on in the labs, and so I know that you guys I don't know, think that we're doing all kinds of different things, Frankenstein. She's piecing bodies together and secretly creating magical DNA. That's not how it works. So anyways, today's job is making fly food, which I will get to sit here for hours on end. Okay, maybe not hours on end. You know how small tasks always feel like they take longer than they actually are, but yeah, it doesn't take that long. I like to make vial arts. So I will take my vials just for fun and literally make art out of them to make it more amusing. So that's what we do sometimes. We do our jobs, or we just try to make it more fun, because yeah, and I'm getting it from a big bag of vials. So fly food's basically what we use to feed flies, Drosophila it's called in the science community. We feed the flies and we grow their population so that way we can use them for models. So they have a DNA sequence that's close to humans. Now, I know if you guys are gonna go, oh my goodness, they're now trying to say that we're all derivative from flies. No, we're not saying that we come from flies. We're saying that their genetic sequencing is close to ours. Hopefully you understand. Close to ours, not we came from flies. This is not Lord of the Flies. So basically flies are used, or Drosophila are used as models for human genetic diseases, like what I'm working on, Tango 2 mutation. It's also being worked on up in Canada from our friend's lab up there. So yeah, it also could be used as models for Parkinson's, Alzheimer's, Lou Gehrig's disease, which is something that's very important to me since my Opa passed away with that, and I had a friend's aunt who passed away from Lou Gehrig's disease. But that's basically what we do in the fly lab. Is we use the new technology that everybody's hearing about on the news, called the CRISPR-Cas9, to humanize flies. Not turn them into humans. We're not turning them into humans. We're basically giving them that section of the DNA that is mutated. We're taking that and kind of inserting it into theirs and seeing how it affects them, and then we come up with simple treatments to help basically quench or deal with the symptoms of the diseases. So CRISPR-Cas9 is in no way, shape, or form going to build you the perfect man or perfect child that everybody seems to assume. That's how the CRISPR method works. It doesn't work like that. DNA is way more complex than that. You can't just poof, I got the perfect baby, look at it. It doesn't work like that. It's a lot of work. So there is my vial work of the day. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'm going to get to work doing my fly food making, and then I will be dissecting flies to check out for different various of genetic anomalies and taking pictures of them. Bye, you guys.